Hey, digital pioneers. I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Clyde. Welcome to our corner of the digital universe where we dive into the latest in blockchain, NFTs, and all things Web3.
Today's news: Forbes launches Legacy Pass for Web3 community building.
And hey, if you like journeying with us, make sure to drop us a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and don't forget, comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like us to cover next.
Hey, Clyde, did you see that Forbes is diving deep into Web3? They're rolling out this thing called the Legacy Pass. It's like an exclusive club with only 1,917 spots, all about bringing together big brains in the Web3 world.
Forbes, you say? Now that's a name that carries weight. Soulbound passes, huh? That's a solid nod to building lasting ties rather than just trading digital items. It's a clever way to cement a community of innovators and thinkers.
Right? And it's all going down on the Ethereum blockchain. These passes aren't just about access. They're a badge of honor, a permanent link to the Forbes legacy. They're aiming to foster real relationships in the Web3 space.
A community that sticks together, I see. Forbes is stepping up, offering early access and insights to those who join the waitlist. Seems they're serious about weaving a network of folks who are keen to shape the future together.
And they're teasing some sweet perks for pass holders later this month. But the coolest part? The inner circle. It's this private zone for all the Legacy Pass folks to brainstorm, collaborate, drive the digital frontier forward.
Mixing tradition with innovation, that's the Forbes way. Their partnership with Magic and the whole Forbes Connect wallet thing was just the beginning. Now they're embedding themselves right in the heart of Web3.
Exactly. Forbes isn't just moving with the times. They're aiming to be the pioneers, setting the scene for how media interacts with Web3. It's not about catching up. It's about leading the charge into this new digital era.
Well, Jeremy, it sounds like Forbes is not just crossing a bridge, but building one between their storied past and a future filled with digital possibilities. This Legacy Pass might just be a cornerstone for a new kind of community engagement and leadership in the Web3 space.
Totally, Clyde. With the Legacy Pass, Forbes is charting a course for the Web3 community, connecting dots between the past, present, and future. Can't wait to see how this all plays out. It's going to be wild. That's a wrap on today's digital deep dive. Thanks for exploring the cutting edge with us.
We're always here to unravel the next big thing in blockchain, Web3, and NFTs. Your curiosity fuels our exploration, so keep those gears turning and let us know what's on your mind.
If you enjoyed our digital digest, don't just keep it to yourself. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and join the conversation in the comments. What blew your mind today?
Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and exploring the digital cosmos. This is Clyde.
And Jeremy signing off. Catch you in the next episode.